We all have that one friend who just can't stop bragging about their life, money, and accomplishments. If you love your friend but are completely exhausted by the one-upping, remember that they most likely aren't trying to look better than you. They might just be insecure. To deal with it, start by pivoting like a pro. Smoothly change the subject to do something you both love, and resist the urge to compete or brag back. When they do a good job, try changing the way you compliment them by praising their hard work instead of overinflating their ego. Swap a generic, "you're so amazing," for something specific like, "I really appreciate how much effort you put into that project." If the behavior keeps up, foster a safe atmosphere and just talk it out. Let them know you love them for who they are, but speak clearly about how the constant one-upping hurts your feelings. Finally, if they refuse to listen and the relationship becomes unhealthy, it is okay to step away and protect your own peace.